Hello guys, today I want to share something I found very amusing and I will try to answer some questions like why majority of people think that affiliate marketing is a scam. Basically they think that everything in make money niche is a scam, and I will show you on one example. Oh my god, earn $12 every 10 seconds automatically for free, available worldwide. I will get back to this, but let's see. If we earn $12 every 10 seconds, that's $72 every minute, that's $4,320 every hour, that's $34,560 in 8 hours, no work involved. I don't know why do we play lottery. Let's do this. This is insane. We will all be multimillionaires. At this point, you probably know that this is a scam, and I don't understand why videos on YouTube get so much views with $12 every 10 seconds, earn now, go now, you will be rich, and they have millions of views or 100,000 views, and people believe that. So let's see what's behind those videos. As you can see, there is a lot of, I just searched get paid $12 every 10 seconds. There is a plethora of videos there, and some of them have like 21,000 views, 151,000 views, 25,000 views, okay, and then it grew up there, 145,000 views. It's insane, people are watching this, it's something I don't understand. So I watched one of those videos, and the idea is that you go to this site called Bucks Inside, and you watch a fixed advertisement, which is something like this. And here is a catch. As you can see, I watched one of them and I earned $0.001 for that 10 seconds. I don't understand, where is my 12 bucks? Oh my god, it's a scam! There's no way! What's interesting, when I registered for this site, Bucks Inside, and went to the login screen, look here, we have no collaboration with any YouTubers, stay away from their misleading. So even the site recognized the YouTubers are lying to people. So the problem is, when you see this, you have to do the math yourself and try to see if it is even possible. It sounds impossible, it sounds like a total bullshit, and there is no way you will earn $12 every 10 seconds actually clicking on the internet and doing something. Yeah, busted. I hope you don't believe BS like this and that you keep this aside. So the idea behind this website is not that bad, but like I said in many of my other videos, it's a very small amount of money. So if I go and click next here, I will get another one. You see it's loading here, it takes 10 seconds. After 10 seconds of just watching this site, this tab, I will get one tenth of a cent, which is insane. It's nothing. So you would, even if I watch this for the whole day, I wouldn't earn anything. I would certainly not be a multi-millionaire like those YouTube videos are claiming. So turn on your brains and stop believing things like that, and try to find a proper and proven program that can really make you money using whatever, affiliate marketing or whatever. There is no getting rich quick. There is no passive income. There is nothing in the world that you will get without work. So even I hate the word passive income because it's fake, not in a way that you cannot do something that will bring you passive income in the future. For example, if you are affiliate marketing a product that has a recurring revenue, you can say that's passive income, but you have to work to promote that product, so people will start the membership then, and then that part is so-called passive, because as long as that customer is using that product, you will get a monthly recurring commission. So if you like this video, don't hesitate to press the like button below, and please subscribe. It will help the YouTube algorithm. If you have any questions or any funny comments, please comment below, and see you next time. Okay, bye bye.